Imagine a family SUV that accelerates faster than a supercar, travels nearly 400 miles on a charge, pampers you with luxury, and redefines what it means to go electric. That's exactly what the 2026 Lucid Gravity Grand Touring is all about. From the moment you see it, you realize this is not just another EV. It's Lucid's bold statement that electric luxury can be thrilling, practical, and breathtakingly beautiful all at once. Let's dive into what makes this one of the most advanced electric SUVs on the planet. The design of the Gravity is pure Lucid, sleek, aerodynamic, and unmistakably futuristic. Every line serves a purpose, from the low, sweeping roofline to the sculpted rear that reduces drag. The front fascia carries Lucid's signature light bar with razor-sharp LED detailing, while the proportions, 198 inches long, 78.7 wide, and up to 67 inches tall, give it a commanding yet elegant stance. Riding on massive 22 and 23-inch Pirelli P0 electric tires, Gravity looks like it's in motion even when standing still. The result is a shape that slips through the air with remarkable efficiency, helping it achieve a range of up to 386 miles according to the EPA. Step inside and you're greeted by one of the most luxurious and high-tech cabins in the segment. The interior design is an evolution of what Lucid started with the Air sedan. Minimalist yet warm, futuristic but inviting. Highlight is the massive 34-inch curved 6K OLED display that sweeps across the dashboard, blending the instrument cluster and infotainment into a single floating glass panel. Beneath it sits another pilot panel for key vehicle controls, implemented by high-end materials, soft-touch vegan leather, recycled textiles, open-pore wood, and polished metal accents. 3 rows and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Gravity blends performance and practicality effortlessly. Second row slides and reclines. The third row offers adult-friendly space, and when you fold them down, you unlock over 111 cubic feet of cargo room, a massive front trunk. The 2026 Lucid Gravity Grand Touring is a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup, 192 horsepower permanent magnet motor at the front and a 671 horsepower motor at the rear, combining for an incredible 828 horsepower and 909 pound-feet of torque. Power is delivered instantly through 2 single-speed transmissions, pushing this 4,000-pound SUV from 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds, quicker than most sports cars and only a hair slower than the Lucid Air Sapphire. A mile flies by in 11.0 seconds at 130 miles per hour. That would make even high-performance EVs take notice. What makes the Gravity special isn't just raw speed, it's how effortlessly it delivers that performance. The 123 kilowatt-hour NMC lithium-ion battery pack anchors the chassis low for optimal weight distribution, nearly 4951 front to rear, giving the SUV exceptional balance. On the road, the Gravity feels planted, confident, and agile. Thanks to its adaptive air suspension and optional rear axle steering, this full-size SUV handles tight corners like a mid-size crossover. The steering is precise, the brakes, massive monoblock calipers, deliver a firm and reassuring pedal feel, bringing it from 60 miles per hour to a stop in just 107 feet. Testing, it managed 0.94 Gs of lateral grip and a figure-8 lap time of 24.5 seconds, averaging 0.85 G. Truly remarkable for a 3-row SUV. Day driving, the Lucid Gravity is equally impressive. Whether you're commuting through the city, cruising the highway, or carving through mountain roads, the dual-motor system adjusts power distribution seamlessly for maximum traction and efficiency. Regenerative braking feels smooth and natural, allowing one-pedal driving when desired. Cabin noise is virtually non-existent. Lucid's engineers worked tirelessly to insulate the interior, and the result is serenity on wheels. The ride comfort, especially in its softest suspension setting, rivals that of Bentley or Range Rover. But into sprint mode, and it sharpens instantly. The body stiffens, throttle response becomes immediate, and you're reminded this quiet family hauler has the heart of a performance machine. Efficiency remains a highlight too. With EPA ratings of 96 mpg city, 89 highway, and 92 combined, it's among the most energy-efficient large SUVs in the world. Range anxiety? Forget it. Lucid's advanced battery management allows for consistent real-world mileage. Trend's 70-mile-per-hour highway test returned an impressive 335 miles of actual range. And when it's time to recharge, the Gravity supports up to 400 kilowatt DC fast charging. In independent testing, it added 194 miles of range in just 15 minutes and 282 miles in half an hour, one of the fastest charging speeds of any EV today. That means quick stops and more time enjoying the drive. Of course, technology extends beyond the powertrain. The Gravity comes loaded with Lucid's advanced driver assistance suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance assist, and more. It's also future-ready for semi-autonomous driving updates via over-the-air software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, alongside a premium audio system designed specifically for the SUV's acoustic profile. Connectivity, navigation, climate control, and even ambient lighting can all be customized through voice or touchscreen. Everything feels intuitively integrated and purpose-built. When it comes to cost, the 2026 Lucid Gravity Grand Touring starts at $96,550, and the fully loaded model tested by Motor Trend climbed to $123,950. That places it firmly in the upper echelon of luxury electric SUVs, going toe-to-toe with rivals like the Tesla Model X, Rivian R1S, and Mercedes EQS SUV. But where the Lucid pulls ahead is in execution. It's more refined than the Rivian, more modern than the Tesla, and more engaging to drive than the EQS. Add to that Lucid's signature build quality, elegant design language, and efficient performance, and it becomes clear this SUV was engineered to impress. On sale now in the US, the Lucid Gravity Grand Touring marks a turning point for Lucid Motors. It shows that the company isn't just about fast sedans, it can also deliver a family SUV that's both exhilarating and luxurious. It's the kind of vehicle that makes you question why anyone would go back to gas. Families that crave space and comfort, for enthusiasts that demand performance, and for anyone who wants to experience the future of mobility, this SUV truly delivers it all. The 2026 Lucid Gravity Grand Touring isn't just an electric SUV, it's a glimpse into what comes next, where power, efficiency, and elegance converge into one incredible machine. And the best part? You can experience it today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with more cutting-edge reviews, right here on Gravity Automotive, where innovation meets the road.